yeah, I am in the drive-through. I literally didn't even brush my teeth yet. Or brushed my hair or anything. I still have pajamas on. But that's just how it goes. Thank you. Whoop. This wind is so cold. So apparently there's a cold front on its way. SA weather warns of bitterly cold, wet and windy weekend. It's not wet, it's quite sunny. But the wind, you guys, is just on another level. Thank you very much. This lady is not even playing. She's just opening the window and closing it straight away. Okay, let's go home and eat. I'm so hungry.
I think I might be hooked on you. Things you said to me, it seems like.
Say good morning. Are you awake?
Getting there.
Did you get a fright?
Yeah, you just left.
I just left. Do you want to come eat?
At 7:30 in the morning. You never wake up at 7:30.
I've been awake since 6.
Okay, I'll come now.
Do you want to eat in the bed or do you want to eat in front?
Fine, we could go to the lounge.
Okay. Come on, we can snuggle on the couch. We can snuggle on the couch and watch a movie. Just listen to that wind. Please bring a pillow. Oh. McDonald's breakfast is honestly one of my favorites, but because I don't eat breakfast, we don't get it a lot. I got a normal meal as well. I like
cheese.
Do you hear that wind? Oops. I get the normal sausage McMuffin, and then Brain likes the one with the egg. Oh, I forgot the sauce.
You forgot your own sauce?
Oh no, I always get a sweet and sour sauce with my hash brown.
You like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight.
So it's past 2. I'm finally off the couch, because this one thought it was a good idea to take the sheets and the bed and the duvet to the couch.
Not the sheets.
Whatever. So yeah, I'll probably start editing soon.
It's Saturday, by the way, if I didn't mention that, but we work every day. On the weekends, we just get a later,
and
a little bit of a late start.
We'll probably update them a bit later, so
yeah, I think we'll do a weekend vlog
tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. stuck on you. All of the things you did for me. It seems that you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, cause you're stuck on my mind. My mind.
The fresh cut Sundays.
Fresh cut.
Don't allow that kid
It's chilly, yes.
you to do something negative. Okay, well,
See you on the other side.
because it will make you lose.
Hair cutting montage.
So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me.
Right guys, as you can see, Jess decided to cut off almost all my hair.
Don't you like it short?
I need to get used to that. Hasn't been this short. I can't remember the last time mine was this short. In any case,
I like it short sometimes.
we don't have any power, electricity, load shedding again. So
Whatever happened to Uncle Cyril promising us no load shedding in this pandemic?
So we're gonna go get some groceries to prep for dinner tonight, or so that we can make dinner.
Things for the week.
And yeah, we need to sort out a few things for the week. And hopefully, do you think the car wash will be open? We need to wash our car like yesterday. Even if we just do like an outside rinse, it's gonna...
You like my outfit?
So what?
Look at my new bag. It's pretty. Okay, let's go. We also need to do a little bit of a car wash. It's dirty. Oh my goodness.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh,
There you go.
Got a mask?
Got a mask.
I'm so over these masks because they just get dirty so quickly. So I'm onto the disposables.
Are they even allowed?
What, these ones?
Disposable ones.
I don't know, I see a lot of people wearing these. Did you sanitize yours?
No, I wore it last time, so...
Okay, which side is the white side? Right?
I don't know.
I saw a video that you're supposed to do this. Supposed to tie it like this. On the one side. And then... I know, I did it wrong. This way around. So jy moet hom soos onderste bo doen of agterste voor. Is dit 'n queue? So you tie it and you flip it over. Yes, maar jy's patient vandag, hè? It's not right. Oh no. Aha!
The queue's just getting longer and longer.
Now I look like a doctor. How embarrassing.
Okay, let's go see if the queue is worthwhile.
We were meant to be.
Not today, sunshine. Not today.
Too full.
Okay, off to the next one. Hopefully we can get the car washed.
Are we gonna do that first or?
Yeah, well, it's at the same complex as the shopping we want to do.
Okay.
Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
So what are we gonna make? We had steak, and I want to do like either a shrimp sauce or a cheddar melt. Should we get potatoes? Potatoes. Good? Is it good?
Is it not green?
Mm-mm.
So you always cock on my head without the green potatoes.
Can you guys even hear what we're saying? Because I can't hear what Bren is saying when I can't see his lips. So I think Bren must put down or put back the potatoes. We're going to do this cheesy stuffed potatoes. They also have stuffed butternut, which looks really good.
Oh, Pick n Pay Laena.
Yeah, Pick n Pay is their own brand now. Capsule. Do you want any other ones? We've got this one. We like strong coffee. We've bought these ones before as well. They're not too bad. Baby, we need tea. We like these ones. But the apple one, they don't have the apple one.
We've got. We just don't have apple, so no apple, no
We just
tea.
have normal green tea for our tummies. Because you're so full of shit, we need to feed you green tea.
I think you're talking about yourself.
Oh.
So just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
So nice and clean. Oh my goodness, it smells so clean. We did what is it? An interior disinfection for an extra 20 rand. And it was so cool because they did like a it's like a steam, but they put the disinfectant inside now.
Yeah, but I think what is nice about this,
Sorry, the sun is
the steamer they use, like inside the smaller edges and stuff, the steam blows out the dust.
yes.
So it's not like a back door still open.
Oh. Oh, is it closed?
Yes, but
Oh yes.
so as I was saying, I think it's nice to have a steam wash because the steam can blow out like dust in between the seats and small areas where like a vacuum doesn't usually get to.
Is it a new concept? We washed our hands, by the way. Is it a new concept?
No,
We haven't washed the car in like 4 or 5 months.
we haven't washed the car like that with steam, but I'm pretty sure it's not new.
But I like the disinfection we did. Anyway, we still don't have power for,
Oh no, probably.
so we're gonna a little bit.
Then you just wanna, well, don't have any power.
Pack everything away. And then we'll probably just edit and then wind off for the day. I'm a little bit hungry, but we can't really make anything.
Took some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here and now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. I see it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. But life can be furious.
You pour us something to drink, huh?
Yes, please.
While you organize the fish, but I'll have to pour it out the shot. Out the focus. Oh, I need to take unbranded glasses.
Stay true to the fire in your heart and your soul. Don't quench your desire, it
So we can take
can't control.
with
Hey,
it.
isn't it?
We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever.
And we can actually,
What a good guy. Baby, you didn't even tell me.
we can actually like use the background music
Let's take a life to
because it's all our playlist. I need the ice, I'm not trying to talk to you. Excuse me.
Mwah. Mwah. Love you. Brenna's gonna pour us a little drink.
Ah, your hands are freezing. Oh, that is very so fresh.
Yeah, see now. Do a
Yeah.
little bit of a garnish.
Yeah.
You can do frozen ones.
Yeah, I want to use your...
No, but frozen ones are good.
But you're wasting a lot of berries and a lot of... I hate trying stuff already. I hate it.
You like it?
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it.
Looks good.
Come on.
First.
Look at it. It says it.
Excuse me.
Isn't it?
More success, more victory. So it's so bad, I love this shirt. Man, but it's so cold, I can't wear it like...
This is the one I got.
This is my birthday gift. Such a nice shirt. Not good. Such a nice shirt.
Do they have the yellow ones like this? You want the yellow one like that?
I'll show you which the new training kit is. Amazeballs. Let me quickly, I've got a picture on my phone, I'll save it. And success. So, this is the new like warm-up training kits. Jess doesn't like it, I think it looks good. Black and red. So if you know.
What is this?
Oh shit corn.
Is it sweet corn or?
It was sweet corn.
Why is it so watery?
I think it's because it's old. I don't know.
It doesn't smell bad, but it's not sweet corn. It's sweet water.
Was it? Where was it?
At the back of the fridge.
So tip, never leave your sweet corn.
Drink the water.
Only got this life to live out, so follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go. is paradoxical. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this night.
Okay, I am nearly done. I just need to do the bathroom. This room isn't looking the absolute best, but I have some packages that I need to shoot this week, and I have the laundry drying in here. It's that time of the year where they literally burn the felt at the back of the complex in the area I stay in almost every single day, so it's just such a risk to leave these outside, but it's fine. It'll dry in maybe 2 days if we dry it like this. But we are caught up with laundry. We literally just have to do, sorry, what I was saying was we just have to do the towels, but for the most part we are caught up with laundry, and now I'm just going to do the bathroom and just wipe everything down, and then we are going to watch the game. Okay, it is half time.
No game day snacks even today.
But I'm gonna make you dinner now.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Hungry.
Okay, let me show you what I'm gonna make. So yeah, it's half time. It's 1-1, and I think we are ready for some dinner. I usually make Bren like little game day snacks, but trying to keep space for our nice meal that we're gonna have tonight. So we have the cheesy stuffed potatoes. Just wasn't feeling a lot of fuss in the kitchen today, so I think this is perfect. It actually serves 4, so we might have some extra left for tomorrow. And then I'm gonna make some steak. I've just been defrosting this the whole day, and then I'm gonna do some cheddar melt spur sauce, and then cut some shrimp in it, because I remember Spur actually has this sauce that you put on top of the steak, so it's kind of like surf and turf with a little cheesy stuffed potato. So I think I'm going to put this in the oven first. I need to preheat.
Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go.
There you have our Sunday dinner, the cheesy potato, and then I basically just took the steak and halved it, did the one with shrimp and avo, and then this is just the normal cheddar melt, like that, and ready to eat.
Goodness gracious. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Looks very good.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go.
this time of extraordinary grief.
Uncle Cyril is on.
We extend our best
You need to
wishes
listen
for
to
a
what he
speedy
says,
recovery
but
to
that is
three
basically
of
our
premiers
weekend. We hope
who
you
have been
enjoyed it.
tested
More than
positive for
we did.
Unfortunately,
coronavirus.
Livy's
Premier
lost.
𝘠𝘕𝘠,
Again.
the Western Cape,
But it's okay. No, the
Premier
last two
David
games were
Makhura of
good.
𝘠𝘳𝑗,
Yeah.
and Premier
But let's move on.
𝘠𝘪𝘴
Okay,
of
we're gonna
Northwest.
listen to Uncle Cyril and
But we also
thank you
extend
for
our
watching. We
best
will
wishes to
see you
many other South
in the
Africans
next one.
who are currently
Bye.
infected.